Hello everyone, this is RB Jules coming to you from STO Handmade Jewelry and Craft Spot. Today, this is not a video. I know y'all see the earrings, but this is the other pair of earrings that I didn't work on and I managed to finish. This one, I managed to finish this one. And I'm going to work on the other one while I share updates about what's going on. So I don't know how far, again, I'm going to get with completing this earring, but I'm going to work on it while I share updates and things that I'm going to be working on. Sorry about that. Things I'm going to be working on for this channel and for the store. So here we go. So basically, y'all, what I'm doing here is, excuse me, I got ink on my finger from I was writing something on the calendar and didn't realize I had ink on my finger. I'm going to be adding embellishments to the edges of the jewelry pieces. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Let me get up closer to the table. So, let me make sure of where I'm starting. Okay, so it's going to be there. So, I had the opportunity to really start focusing in on, and y'all always work from the back, y'all seen that from the other video. I had the opportunity to, get some things written down of how I want to, move forward with this channel and in terms of tutorials, whether they be written tutorials for the new store or the channel. I have some ideas of things that I am actually working on. So and I do have my list beside me so I can make sure that I stay on point. So the first thing that I want to talk about is new tutorials. I haven't written any beaded tutorials honestly, period. I started working on a couple of tutorials and I didn't get to finish them. Life gets in the way and sometimes you absolutely, make sure I'm in frame, you lose focus of the task at hand. So I actually just had to stop everything. I know I'm detail oriented and long-winded, and that's just part of how I am. I try to stay focused, but that doesn't always work. So you're gonna get a little bit of, I'll eventually get to it. So like I said, I didn't finish the tutorial. So right now I'm working on finishing the tutorial, the written tutorial that I actually started, and I'm like halfway through. I have all of the pictures. It's basically finishing the step-by-step instructions that I actually am working on for the tutorial. And I have another tutorial. I made the decision that a lot of the pieces that I make, a lot of the smaller pieces that I make, I will make easy to follow step-by-step tutorials. The larger projects, I will do tutorials, and I'm also planning to offer kits to go along with those tutorials, but it's one step at a time. So I'm just going to work on the ones that I actually have pictures for, and I can do it step by step. And these tutorials, they do take a really, really long time to indeed put together. So I'm going to continue to work on that, and then when the written tutorials, these are written tutorials. When the written tutorials become available, I will indeed let you know um, in a video or a short or a post that the written tutorial is available for purchase in the store. I'm also thinking about a beading tutorial series, and there's a couple of videos that I actually did that I want to redo. Um, so I'm still working on that. So that's the first thing that I actually want to do. Um, the next thing, as I mentioned in a blog before, and I can put that blog down in the description if you want to go back and check it out. It's called Why I Left Etsy, and making a decision to go to another platform to sell my art jewelry and the um, the tutorials and kits and things of that nature. And this one is more of a US based platform. But for those of my international beading friends who want to purchase beading tutorials and kits, I am working on a way for you to be able to do that um, as well. So that's the second thing. So I'm still working out a lot of the kinks and details in terms of trying to stay in frame so y'all can see me as I'm working on this. Of course. So this is a longer thread. So um, I'm gonna turn it over in a minute so you can see how it's starting to form. And so, like I said, I'm still working out all of the details for where you will be able to purchase my jewelry. So this is how it's starting to look. Let me put this down. So it's starting to look like this. So that's what's going on with that one. And so it's a lot of things that I'm working on, but this is what I'm sharing with you first that I'm working on. And I'm still working on creating my new beading space where I could set up my beads, and I'm decluttering and moving stuff out the way that I'm not using or don't need to use to create this space, because it's actually my old space where I used to do my polymer clay work. I'm going to find a new space for that. Um, so, yeah, but so I'm not going to pretty much worry or be concerned about with that. So it's a lot of stuff that I actually am doing and putting together so that I can indeed work on that space for it to come together. And it's taken a little bit of time because I've had to rearrange everything, with me being my mom's caregiver. So I'm working on things every day as I can so that I can continue to move forward and do videos um, and start planning, the stuff that I'm going to teach um, on this channel, and sharing other parts of my journey into beading and being a bead artist and things of that nature. So that's what I'm working on there. And also, um, I'm planning, well, I'm writing down ideas about new tutorials that I'm going to do on the channel, and I will also talk about later on as I continue to plan, how many videos will go out, whether it will be, once a week, twice a week, how I'm going to plan to do these videos. And you can be on the lookout for the videos as I do them. So basically, it's, I'm really just going through and making a lot of positive changes so that we can be together. And I know it's a lot of stuff. Sometimes I'm asked, when I'm going to do a tutorial. Well, I'm taking my time because I want this to last. I want it to be productive and something that you actually can learn from. So that's why it's taking me a little bit of time to do this, because I realize I have a lot of information and materials that I really need to take my time and go through and be like, okay, doing things decently and in order as much as possible. So that's what I am working on next. So I will be doing some earring tutorials because I personally have been working on earring designs. We have a nice little knot that I have to take the time to get out. That I have been working on because, even though I'm a handcrafted jewelry design artist, everybody has a weak point, in their process. And for me, it's earrings. It is earrings. It has always been earrings, and trying to find out, ooh, this is a nice little mess. Trying to figure out how this is going to work for me. There we go. How that's going to work for me. And so I have been working so far. I have created 20 pair of earrings, and I must say that I am happy with them. I counted them out the other day. I took them out, and all of these earrings are going in the store. All of them are going in the store. And I'm going to be working on more earrings. Okay, I just got to hold on to this, because, yeah, we have all these knots that just want to come and invade the creative process. So, I will be doing earring projects with you, because some will be new styles that it's all going to be bead embroidery, but it will be new styles that I'm working on myself, because I'm challenging myself to make better earrings than just basic earrings, which is nothing wrong with basic earrings, but challenging myself to do better. That's how you grow. And so that is my challenge to me, and I'm going to share it, so we're going to grow together. So that's how that's going to work there. So let me see if that is indeed everything. Again, of course, the intention was not necessarily to finish the earring. If I did, great. But if not, more so to share updates where I am in the progress and process of actually doing things. So you can indeed stay in the loop of it all, and follow with me, and go with me on this journey, and we move together, because that is one of the things that I say on my Instagram page when I'm starting a new piece or working on my new piece. And for those of you who would like to follow me on my Instagram, it is STO Handmade Jewelry. And you can gladly follow me over there, and you can see things that I do over there also. Even though I haven't been over there lately, haven't done anything lately. Haven't done anything lately, so. Um, but I am going to start back as you know, as I get my mother's schedule together, and it's getting there, slowly but surely, getting there. So, let me make sure. Yeah, that's that. So I'm going to do this last piece right here, and I think this is where I'm going to stop it. This is where we're going to be, because I think I have, this is because I sew tightly. So sometimes when I'm trying to go through the hole, I'm struggling because I sew tightly, and um, not everyone has to do that, but I do it. I guess because I've been beading for a while, and I'm guilty of doing that. So this is as far as we have gotten with the earring, and I have indeed shared all of the updated information of everything that is to come. So stay tuned for next week's video, and we're going to see where that video takes us, and I will let you know more of what's going on and share some other wonderful things as we move forward. So let's keep the conversation going on in the comments section below. You can share your ideas of what kind of beading projects you would like to see. You can go back and look at some of the shorts that I've done and see some of the jewelry pieces that you may want to see or see a variation of based on what I have been showing you thus far. So until next time, stay creative.